Hello everyone, this is Chris. I'm gonna do a video today on my Lionel 682. I did work on this and cleaned it all up about three months ago, this winter sometime. Everything's working, I think, on it except the screw that holds this linkage I need to fix. But I touched up the paint and redid the white stripe, cleaned all the inside, took everything apart, and it was pretty dirty and some corrosion, but it came out pretty well. The whistle tender I took apart and cleaned the whistle and the motor and brushes inside there also. I haven't run this engine on the track yet, so that's what I'm going to show you later in this video. Like I said, the main problem was this. Let's see how the person before me tried to, I guess, drill it out, and they got the hole wallowed out, and I'll have to figure out if I can tap it. I think what happened was it probably broke off the stud in there, and they were trying to drill it out and got out of whack. Well, let me show you this on the table and see how it runs, if it will run without that falling off. I was getting ready to run the 682 and I had a problem. It started running a little, then it seemed like it quit, and I couldn't really determine what it was at first, but then I realized it was a short. It was kind of intermittent at first, but this is the bottom of the engine where the pickup roller is attached to, and that little hole in the center is where a wire bar or a metal bar goes through. And come to find out, that's what was causing the short. So I put a heat shrink around this. Here this goes, well, of course, on the underside of the engine. And it was hitting the frame, and this is where the pickup rollers touch, and this goes up inside the engine. So if you have a short and don't know where it's coming from, it's probably this. Originally it had a little fabric type insulator on there, and it just wasn't in the right spot. So let me finish putting this back together, and hopefully it works this time. Well, I've got it working now. Got the short repaired, and also I put the head of a screw on here. I just glued it on. There's a tab that sticks out long enough so it can still not touch the rod itself, and it's able to stay on there. Right now I have it in forward only. Headlights working. Smoke unit isn't working. I don't know if it takes pellets or liquid, but I did put a little bit of a liquid in there, and nothing's happening. Originally I thought maybe the smoke unit was causing the short. It seemed like when I put the body on it would work. It wouldn't work, and when I took the body off it would work. So I thought it had something to do with the smoke unit, but it was the main pickup. So let me put it in so the E unit works, which you will hear the buzzing of the E unit when it's working now. Now it's in neutral. Now it'll be reverse. Neutral. let you hear the whistle. Well, there you have it. There it's running and doing a pretty good job. No real glitches except for the smoke unit. Maybe I'll have to work on that sometime, but probably not right now. I will do a little overview of the layout. This is only a 4x8, and I built it, with 1x4s underneath as framing, and it's just sitting on two sawhorses. It's basically a figure 8, but it has the 4 switches that connect across the figure 8 on both sides. So it really becomes 2 reverse loops. So no matter which way you're going, you can go through a reverse loop and change direction. And it has one fairly long siding in the front, a passing siding. Then it has a dead end siding at the end over there, and it has one more siding in the middle of the figure 8 for a warehouse. And over here on this side we have a station and an airport and greenhouse. Maybe I'll take off some of the trains and run it through the figure 8 and show you how it reverses in another video. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it, and we'll work on our trains while we're staying at home.